the S-Farms India, wherever I'm the lagging, first through this foundership, I find the points where I'm the lagging actually, and where which points the pain points and that one. So that is the first thing. So initially I thought in different way. Then after even if you see in the foundership, the first one, I write something else actually. What is my requirement like that? After your first session, I come to know what is my requirement. Before I joined this one, my illusion is different. I thought I required something else, but after I joined this one, what is my exactly problem statement? What is my solution? What is the USP? How to where I am in the lagging and everything. First, I find that problem exactly where I'm facing the real problems. I understand that one after I joined the first interaction actually. Then I write it down that one, and then later I doing one by one like that one. And after discussing with you, then I find this vendors and previous as I said in previous, my main problem pinpoint was the farmers onboarding. I spend money, bring the farmers. That was the I was in such a illusion actually. If I spend more money, I'll get more farmers. I was in such a illusion. Then after that one, I find out actually the vendor network is the one good thing where I can bring the more vendors and I can give the land services where I can able to make the revenue. Previous it was the only it's a peer-to-peer. I thought of only make the money through this only listing fee or the premium or premium plus like that. Now actually I understand we can able to get more money through the land-based, the value-added services. They have more than, after I come to know, then they have the more than 10 services requirement is their customer. So that is where that is the one point I find that one. That is a major important point. And the next is the partnerships with the guys. So that is, it's helpful to me and helpful to the farmers also. I can able to generate the leads and give it to them. I'll get some money as well as will help to the real customers. Once customer is come in, we can give multiple solutions. The customer will be still in the onboarding forever. It's not like just coming and he will search for 5 times or 6 times he's paid 1,000 rupees and he search and he actually keep that one. Instead of that one, now he is in the keep on with me, like for the farm management services, for anything, like for post registration services, for any job kind of thing, he can come to the S-Farms again and again. So he'll be, so now after I came to you, then I find one solution, which is how to retain the customer for the long term, the customer point of view. And the farmer onboarding point of view, previous I was only spending money to the freelancers and get into the onboarding and spend a lot of money. Now I come to know this through the vendor network where you can able to easily generate the leads from the vendor side also. It's a win-win situation for the vendor. So his vendor is bringing more farmers, he is getting more money and also getting money. So I'll get the farmers freely and I'll pay back money to that one. So now I can, instead of going the freelancers directly to the farmer, now I can use the freelancers to the vendors. So now the freelancers will go for the vendors and bring into the onboarding. This is one point actually I learned these days, and personally actually it's a very good experience for me. Like it's good overall, it's very good actually. I feel very good experience, and it's worth to that one.